The hum or buzz is a mysterious low frequency sound phenomenon that is perceived only by a small percentage of the population in certain geographic areas. The sound is described by those who hear it as a hum, a buzz, or the idling of a diesel engine, and is often most audible indoors and at night, in the absence of ambient noise. Unlike tinnitus, which is a sound originating inside a person's ear, hum is a real sound coming from the environment, although most people don't perceive it. The lack of a clear cause and the variability in sound perception have given rise to numerous theories, both scientific and conspiracy. Theories and research. Natural resources. Some scientists have investigated whether the hum could be related to natural phenomena. Hypotheses linking the sound to seismic activity and earth movements or to ocean waves have been explored, but no conclusive explanation has been found. Industrial or military origin. It has been suggested that the sound could come from industrial machinery, power lines, electrical equipment, or even military submarines that emit low frequency waves. However, this theory does not explain why the hum is only perceived in certain areas and by some people. Medical explanations. Some researchers have explored whether the perception of hum could be related to tinnitus, although most studies agree that hum is external sound. The explanation could lie in the perception of extremely low frequency sound waves, which are below the normal hearing threshold, but which some hypersensitive people do perceive. Famous locations. The hum has been reported in various parts of the world. Some of the most famous cases include the Taos hum in New Mexico, USA, and the Bristol hum in the United Kingdom. Ongoing research. Despite decades of investigation, the exact origin of the hum remains a mystery. In 2025, an unexplained persistent hum reappeared loudly on a Scottish island, reawakening scientific interest. Symptoms and effects. In addition to the sound itself, people who perceive hum may experience physical and psychological symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, fatigue, insomnia. In severe cases, hum can cause anxiety and depression. The inability to find a clear cause and the disbelief of others who don't perceive the sound can lead to frustration and isolation.